What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's about technoboy, and there you can see that's the Class D amplifier 2.1, and you have seen that before the testing video outside. In that case I was having a large 15-inch subwoofer that was doing very good, but today for testing I have this Cloudwalker passive subwoofer. It has a 5-inch driver on the right side and air processing port at the back. So today the point is I tested that amplifier outside and before using the aux cable connected to the mobile, and the sound was not that much loud as I was testing at almost full volume. So today I have connected this Bluetooth kit to this amplifier. This is just for testing, and later I'm gonna make the Bluetooth boombox, big one with a 15-inch subwoofer, and we're gonna see how it works like that. So now today I built this before, you have seen. So I've connected this one. It's powered up, you can see, and that's the RCA connections. That's the output coming from this Bluetooth kit to this RCA sockets, and from there it's going to this amplifier kit using this 3.5 mm jack on the other side of the card. So this way is connected now, and you can see the channel volume at full and bass volume at like 70 or 80%, something like that, and that's the main volume. It's at 0 now, and I'm gonna play some songs. I'm gonna increase the sound, and the speakers, channel speakers are same that you have seen in that outside testing video. This wooden enclosure and 3-inch woofer drivers, so they are same. So now let's check the sound of it as I played the song, and now let's increase the volume.
I'm not giving up, I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time, so I'm not giving everything, I'm not giving everything I got. So I'm not giving everything, I'm not giving everything I got. I'm not giving everything, I'm not giving everything I got.
So as you can see, at 50% volume, the main volume, sound is pretty loud, and you're gonna increase the volume more and gonna check the sound, but the bass is very low because this is a small enclosure and a small speaker driver. So just ignore the bass. I'm checking the testing the loudness here. So let's play the song again.
Hope. So many days have passed. I wait around for things to change, but change is not come fast. I'm asking all the questions, but then I question them. Like, what's the point of living, existing when you can't see a God in flesh? I'm looking for the answers. They say to pray, said I think I'll find them one day, but with a helping hand. I know that it's not easy, but I believe I will. Yeah, I'll get over all my fears and really conquer everything. I think I'll be alright, 'cause I'm not giving up, I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time, so I'm not giving everything, I'm not giving everything I got. So I'm not giving everything, I'm not giving everything I got. I don't understand it, but you keep me together when everything around me keeps me under pressure. Yeah, it's so overwhelming, but I will wait forever, so you can come and get it. I don't understand it. I don't I can lean on.